Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you a simple and tasty way to make your chicken shawarma at home. Stay tuned. Mixing the spices for the chicken in a bowl, so I'll add salt, white pepper powder, ginger powder, garlic powder, chili pepper powder, black pepper powder. Then I'll mix everything together and set aside. We're using skinless chicken thighs. You can use any part of the chicken that you want. So I've already washed the chickens. I'll add them into a bowl, then add the mixed spices on them. I will stir to mix together. Putting the chicken into the oven to grill. Like, you can fry the chicken. When the chicken is ready, I will debone it and cut it into smaller pieces. Next step is to make the sauce. In a bowl, I'll add some mayo. You can add according to your taste. I'll also add ketchup. Because I also want this to be spicy, I'll be using peri-peri sauce. This is optional. I will mix everything together. When I'm done mixing, I'll set aside the sauce. Using flat bread, so apply the sauce on it. In the sauce, lay all the toppings that you want. I'll be using carrot, cabbage, sausage, the sliced chicken and cucumber. Then when I'm done laying all the toppings, I will add a little bit of the sauce on top. The topping, I will try to roll or fold the shawarma. On folding, I've already preheated my grilling pan, so I will spray some oil on the grilling pan and add the shawarma. On the preheated grilling pan, I'll press it down to help to seal it. Then remember to always turn it to grill the both sides. You can do this for about 2 or 3 minutes. Then the shawarma is ready. The chicken shawarma is ready. It was so tasty. I hope you try this, and thank you all for watching, and stay tuned for more interesting videos.